In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on Robinhood chain. Now, the first thing I have to point out is that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything, okay? Now that we got this out of the way, we can get started with this video. So, as you may heard already, of course, the Robinhood chain just dropped, and we can go and of course trade meme coins on it now when it's live. So to do this, there's going to be a bunch of different platforms. You have things like Axiom, GMGN, you have OpenSea, Uniswap. There's a bunch of different ones you can use. I'm going to show you how to do this on Axiom right now because that's just the platform I use, okay? And if you want to get started as well, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link and my code, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, okay? So go and check it out if you want to, link down below. So on here, on the Axiom platform, it's actually super simple to trade meme coins. When you open your dashboard and sign into account for the first time, you'll see up top here, it's going to say something along these lines. So Robinhood, Solana, BNB, or Ethereum. If you are on anything else than Robinhood, or Hood as they call it, you want to click on here and switch over to Robinhood. That's because, of course, before they had or added Robinhood, when it was not existent yet, they were big on Solana, BNB, and Ethereum, but now they have Robinhood as well. So switch over to Robinhood, and then you'll have your wallet over here, and you can just go and click on this deposit button, and you can first deposit some Robinhood ETH or Ethereum on here, of course, so we can go ahead and get started with trading these meme coins. Deposit it to your address, which is going to be different to mine over here, so you're going to have your own. And on here, when you deposit this, you can go ahead and get some Ethereum on here. You can also go and buy it if you want to in here directly. You can go and do it. As you can see, there's the minimum of 20 USD, but you can do it on here as well if you don't currently have any Robinhood ETH. Now, once you've done this, you can get started with trading. There's a few ways to do this, but all of them are really simple. So here in Axiom, you want to go to either this Discover or Polls tab. It's going to be possible on the other tabs as well, but we're just going to focus on these two because they are super beginner friendly. On here, on this Discover tab, you'll see all the kind of trending meme coins, okay? Now, I'm not affiliated with any of these coins. This is, as I said, highly risky, so do your own research before choosing a meme coin. I'm just gonna click on a random one over here just to show you how to actually trade it, okay? So, the most kind of common way, the most basic one is gonna be to find a meme coin and click on it. Again, this is a random one. And then over here on the right, you can see a trading panel. You have the buy and sell buttons. Then you can select which order type you want to do, either market, limit, or advanced, and you want to select the amount you want to purchase. You could either click down here or type in your own amount, and then you can just go and buy or sell depending on which way you want to go, and that's literally how you can trade meme coins on here. That's the most basic way. But they do have more advanced ways as well. So if you go to the Discover tab, you could go to the Quick Buy button up top right over here, and you want to type in the amount, and this is going to allow you to just quickly buy by clicking this button, of course, whichever meme coin you have over here and you want to trade, okay? That's one way to do this as well. But then you have this Polls tab, which gives you kind of an overview of the new releases, the final stretches, and the migrated coins. So here you have new pairs, which are basically coins which are just being created. You can see over here, this is kind of the time of creation. Here you can see the final stretch. These are the coins before being migrated. And then we have the migrated coins, which are over here on the right. You can just go in here and, of course, find something. You have filters, stuff like that. There's a bunch of neat things on here. Just make sure you are on the Robinhood chain when doing this, okay? Because we are now trading the Robinhood chain meme coins, not any other ones. That doesn't mean you can't. Of course, you can trade any of them you want, but if you want Robinhood, it's over here. So on here, you can just go and pick the coin you want to trade. I'm going to, for example, click on this one because it's the top one. And again, you have the buy and sell panels, same as I've showed you earlier. It's the same page, actually, just a different way to find the coin. And you can then just go and type in the amount, click on buy or sell, and that's literally all you have to do to get started with trading meme coins. Then into your portfolio, if you go to your portfolio section here, you'll be able to essentially see all the meme coins you're currently holding and whatnot, okay? And of course, you'll be able to then trade them that way. So that's essentially all you have to do to trade meme coins. Again, there's a bunch of different platforms. This was just Axiom that I showed you. And yeah, again, there's a link down below in case you are interested. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.